Do I feel the bitch tonight? Do I'm the lead express? Do oh baby, baby, come to Webster night.
Making his way to the ring from Orangeburg, South Carolina, weighing in at 216 pounds, Lady Destroyer, Jeffrey F. Steiner.
Silky little heartbeat in the neon light. You had a sugar sweet smile, that midnight glow, and the way you walk in makes the whole room mine. You make me horny, hips swaying. Everyone watches when the groove kicks in.
What a great match we have here to start off this night, guys.
And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
I'm the lead express. Do oh baby, baby, come to Webster Island. Do feel the bitch tonight? Do I'm the lead express. Do oh baby, baby, come to Webster Island. You have that velvety aura, that sugar sweet swing, a little bit of danger in your voice, a touch of.
No, not this guy.
I will delete you.
All he does is talk nonsense.
It's not nonsense when you're woken, Michael Cole.
I'm awake.
And his opponent, first, from Cameron, North Carolina, weighing in at 236 pounds, Matt Hardy.
I had some little baby who calls himself King Maxwell challenging me to a match.
Maxwell, do you know how ridiculous you sound, Michael Cole?
And his wife, Reba McEntire, and the senior bald guy there, and the Wolfgang guy and the crew, too.
You should be careful should you encounter the mower of law. The man of 1,004 holds.
Y2J!
And from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, weighing in at 227 pounds, Chris Jericho.
He was once the hottest free agent in the world, and then he broke the walls down. Coming to WWE.
And WWE has never, ever been the same again.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Yeah, I know.
And from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the Masked Man.
I talk about morality, but my bank account is laughing. Gold in sight, contracts in the wind. Lobbying is my game, I collect and grin.
Guys, there is so much intrigue here heading into this fatal four-way match.
That's what you get, Michael, when you have four superstars who can legitimately win this thing.
Benz Spahn, Lobby Lancer, welcome home. Mass feels to the funk beat. 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 Oh, I talk about more than any one of yours lasting. Gold in sight, contracts in the wind. Lobbying is my game, I collect
Ball's count anywhere, guys. Let's get this action underway.
You have to wonder where these four competitors are mentally right now, heading into what will undoubtedly be an intense battle.
The constant reinvention of Chris Jericho has been what's kept him one of WWE's most enduring superstars.
Look, I get it. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to kiss up to Y2J, Saxton, but the fact is, your name's on the list of Jericho in permanent ink.
I thought it was just a rumor.
Setting up. Jericho.
Setting it up. Nice neck breaker.
Nicely done as he gets out of the submission.
Color me surprised, Michael. I did not see that one coming. Good golly, what a knee.
Jericho struggling a bit. He's going to have to be careful. Three guys he's in there with want this match just as much as he does.
At this point, it's still anybody's match, Cole, but he's got to be careful not to take too much more punishment here if he wants to be the one walking away with the win.
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could be a pivotal point in this match, guys. Let's see how he reacts here.
And setting him up for a knee to the face.
That's gonna hurt. When I talk about fatal four-way matches, I always think back to the classic battle at Backlash 2007 between Shawn Michaels, John Cena, Randy Orton, and the rated R superstar Edge. The action was so fast and furious from the get-go and served as a prime example of why a superstar needs eyes in the back of their head in a fatal four-way match. Harsh impact.
Byron, earlier you mentioned one of the classic fatal four-way confrontations in sports entertainment history. The match, he's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. Oh boy, he is rolling. Elbow finds its mark.
This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not. Incoming.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Man.
Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Bulldog. He's looking at it.
Slam down hard.
This just might be enough for him to take the victory here.
There may be no coming back from that slam, Cole.
Whoa, Jericho able to avoid damage.
What a cagey maneuver.
Toss to the outside.
Going for it. Trying to step through.
Roll on their belly.
That might be enough. This is Jericho's chance.
He forces his way free.
Man, he just has so much resolve.
Chris Jericho doing a great job of turning that around.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Uh-oh. Twist of fate.
This might be the opportunity he needed.
And his shoulders are down. He breaks the pin. Look at this. Bam! What a slam. He's looking a little weary here. You can't help but wonder if he can turn things around here in this four-way match.
Don't write him off just yet, guys. From what I see, these guys are pretty evenly matched at this point. No code breaker. That was nasty.
This could be the turning point.
Shoulders on the mat.
Uh-oh.
Side effect.
He might have just ended this.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Across the shoulders. Down, Samoan driver.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
He goes for the cover. And he stops the count.
Look at Jericho strutting around like a proud in-house rooster.
Incoming!
Whoa, Matt Hardy.
Counter here. And Byron, this takes a ton of strength to pull off, am I right?
Oh, you are definitely right, Michael. But you also have to remember how much energy it drains to pull off.
Up against the barrier now.
I think that barrier might be the only thing holding him up.
I think you're right. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Chris Jericho. Ooh, what impact. Wait a minute. Look out, he breaks free.
Great job by him there, but he's still in a tough spot, Cole.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh, breaker!
Come on, Jericho, put that stupid idiot away.
Got the shoulders down. 1, 2, and there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time. What a stomp! Good grief!
Headlock. Oh, and cheap shot right above the eye. Boom, check. This is his opportunity to win this thing. You get dropped like that, you don't get up. Period. Oh, the referee better get a hold of things.
Running bulldog. Devastating kick.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Across the shoulders. Down, Samoan driver. But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys.
Oh, it's not going to be good. This is not going to be... Oh, what a brain buster.
Oh, nasty. He can turn it on in a hurry.
I think we know what this is. He's flipped this. You got to believe this one's over.
Nasty kick to the face. But he's got to capitalize now.
There's almost no... The cover. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
What a strike. Right on the mark. He can turn it on in a hurry. Belly to back suplex.
Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
He's got to get himself out of it now.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Will it be? 1, 2. I wouldn't have been surprised if that was it. Wow.
I thought for sure that was it.
Here he goes. Clothesline.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Is he done? He looks for it once again. What a slam.
Impactful. Will jar your spine.
That's a good way to find yourself on the list of Jericho.
That should do it, Cole. There's no coming back from a slam of that magnitude.
Looking for all the glory here. And the ref goes down.
We need a new ref out here fast. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Going for it all here.
Ooh, nasty impact.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him?
We've seen this before. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. And he finds a way free.
Code breaker. That was nasty. That has got to be it.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Boom, what impact. Elbow drop. Oh, man. Chris Jericho is busted up. Oof. He's going for the pin. 1, 2, 3. When this guy's on, look out.
Uh-oh.
Side effect.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier. And the odds just swung in Matt Hardy's favor.
Slam!
Uh-oh. Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Twist of fate.
But can he follow up here?
There he goes. His shoulders are down. Uh-oh. Twist of fate.
That might have done it, Cole. Over and over and over. How many times are we going to see it?
He goes for the cover. 1, 2. Digging deep for a kick out.
Y2J is not giving up his title of being the best in the world.
He's making a statement here with this attack. He's going for the pin. Too close for comfort.
Nope. To beat the Ayatollah of rock and rolla, that's not going to do it.
These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup.
He wants to do this in the ring.
Beautiful technique.
I don't think there's any coming back from this type of assault.
This could be the end of him at any moment right now.
Let's remember though, guys, his opponent doesn't seem to be in great shape either.
We have seen him here before.
DDT! Warm up the bus. This one is over.
Yeah, there's no way this match isn't over after that one.
And he goes for the pin. Watch out here. He caught him slipping.
Suplex. Harsh impact.
Oh, nasty impact. When this guy's on, look out.
Going for it. Trying to step through.
Roll on their belly.
There it is. It's locked in.
The walls.
Come on, Jericho. Put that stupid idiot away. Bang! Reverse bulldog.
He's lining him up. This could be all she wrote. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Twist of fate.
Here's his moment, Michael.
And a pin attempt.
Across the shoulders. Thunderous slam.
And there it is, boys.
Shoulders down. 1, 2, 3.
There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.
That was a match for the ages. Fatal four-ways always deliver the goods, but you can only see matches like that once in a decade or so.
I don't like to throw around a lot of praise, but my eyes tell me that might have been one of the great matches in recent WWE history.
Here is your winner, Lady Destroyer, Jeffrey F. Steiner.
And the first match of the night comes to an end in thrilling fashion. And if that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening. Believe it or not, that's just the beginning, folks. Stay tuned for more great action.